Hey everybody, it's Chris Lote here. In this screencast, I'm going to share with you how to install Zoom or Teams on your district laptop. Many of the applications that we use in our district can be found in the self-service application that is on every laptop right now. Mine is in the dock down here, and you can see the icon for self-service is RSD, and I'm going to click on that. If yours is not in your dock, you could also go to your Launchpad, which will be in your dock, and you can click on Launchpad, and self-service will be in here somewhere. There it is right there. I'm going to click on this to launch self-service. Now self-service will open up, and you'll see a series of panels on the main page. These, of course, have the install or update buttons on them. At the very top, you'll have Apple software. I'm going to scroll down just a little ways and go down to where it's all alphabetical, so install/update Zoom. So I've already installed it, so I don't see an install button. But if you need to install it, you would click on install and it will install Zoom on your district device. Similarly with Teams. You would click there to install Teams and it will install Teams on your machine. You can also search for different features. So I'm gonna put the word printer in there. So if you wanted to install a printer from your school, you might be able to do it through this way. Also, one other thing to know while I'm here is at home, if you have a printer at home that perhaps you're using, you may want to install this Unlock Add Printer. So that will enable you to add a printer at home as well. And you can see I have installed it. I'm going to get out of here and back to the main page. Self-service can be a useful place to do some updates or for installing your software on your district machine. Hopefully this is helpful. Have a good day.